Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture 2024, and I'm architect Sonorai from Gladius Studio. And in this today video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to render a floor plan in Revit 2024 without the use of Photoshop. So first we need to draw a plan here. So I'm going to show you how to draw a simple plan here. So I'm going to select my wall here, and this is basic wall 8 inches. So I'm going to make the outdoor wall. So I'm going to create a duplicate here, and I'm going to rename this as a 9-inch wall. If you are using metric, you can change to 230 mm. So I'm working in feet and inches, so I'm going to use the 9-inch wall. And after this you are required to change the structure here, and means thickness and material. So now it is 8 inch here, so I'm going to make this as a 9-inch here. So this is 9-inch, and you can click on this material category. By category, click on this 3 dot, and you can simply go and create any wall color here, and you can leave your default wall here. So we'll see it later. So I'm going to click on OK, and now I'm going to click apply. OK. So I'm going to draw a length and width of this building here. So I'm going to take this length as a 32 feet. So I'm going to draw a 32 feet. So I'm going to enter 32 feet, and then we'll draw a width of this building. So I'm going to take this as a 22 feet 5 inches. So I'm going to show you from one of my projects for my client. So now I'm going to close this, and after this I'm going to draw a small parking space. So I'm going to first draw a wall here and interior wall. So I'm going to draw a 5-inch wall here, and I will take this as 10 feet 5 inch from here, and I'm going to enter this. So I'm going to draw a wall here because I need to create a parking space. So after this I'm going to take this as a parking space of 16 feet. So I'm going to draw a wall here, so I'm going to take this as 16 feet here. So we'll need to offset this. So I'm going to select this wall, and I'm going to use offset, and I'm going to make offset of 16 feet, and I'm going to match this with this wall thickness here. So this is a 16 feet. So I'm going to drag this and bring it here. So now this is parking space, and after this I'm going to draw a staircase. So I'm going to first trim this off, and now I'm going to draw a staircase dogleg which will be here. And first I'm going to create a toilet here. So in the back side there is a toilet. So I'm going to draw a wall here, and this is 4 feet 5 inches. So just I'm taking this as a reference, 4 feet 5 inches. So I'm going to make a 4 feet 10 inch here, and I'm going to draw a wall toilet. So I'm going to drag this here. So this is, can measure this should be 4 feet 5 inches. So this is 4 feet 7 inches. So I'm going to reduce this 2 inches here, 2 inches. And now I'm going to draw my staircase. So you are required to use stair by sketch here. So I'm going to use stair, and then I will go and select create from a sketch, and then I will take this riser, and I'm going to first draw a staircase from here. So I'm going to take this 3 feet landing here, and I'm going to draw my first riser here, and you can offset this riser here. So I'm going to take this as offset of 11 inches for tread, and can use peak lines, and you can start giving staircase here. So, and also you can start drawing here, and then you can just mirror this. So this is just to make you understand. I'm going to mirror this, so I'm going to draw a axis here. So this is our staircase, and now I'm going to select this, and I'm going to reduce this width here. So now this is my staircase, and now I'm going to draw a boundary for this, and I'm going to draw a boundary here. So this is our boundary is created after riser, and then you are required to create a stair path. So I'm going to draw in clockwise direction. I'm going to draw my staircase path here. So this is my staircase path. I'm going to finish edit mode, and you can see I'm going to finish this. And now you can remove this wall here. You can bring it here, and you can reduce this railing here. You can remove this railing that is not required. So we can change this assembled stairs. It can make it precast stairs, RCC stairs. So these are RCC stairs. Now we can draw a 5-inch wall here also. So this is wall center line. So I'm going to use finish face exterior, and you can simply trim this wall here. So now this is our wall here, and staircase is covered now. So our staircase is drawn here. So next I'm going to draw a shaft here. So this shaft is 3 feet. So I'm going to draw a shaft here. So I'm going to give an offset of 3 feet here. So you can measure this. So I'm going to move this 5-inch more here, and I'm going to use a fillet here, and I'm going to drag this here. So I'm going to draw a wall here. So you can measure this here. So this is 4 feet 9 inches. So I'm going to move this and 3 inches to make it 5. So that will be better here. So now this is shaft is created here. So this is why I have drawn shaft, because in the back side there is no lighting. So lighting is only from front side. So that's why I have created shaft. And after this I'm going to take this wall, and I'm going to drag this till here to make this good toilet here. So and this I'm going to extend this wall till here. You can use you can drag this, or you can use extend here. So you can use this trim extend single element. You can select this wall, and you can simply place here. So you can use trim extend, and now here it is a room here, and here is toilet. So you are required to put a door here. So I'm going to select a door, and for room I'm going to take this 36 inch by 84 inch, and you can select this door, and you can place a door here. And now you can move this door near to this wall. And now for toilets you are required to take 30 inch door here. So I'm going to take this 30 inch by 84 inch, and I'm going to place a door here. So now after this I'm going to draw a kitchen here, open kitchen here. So here it is opening a small kitchen. So I'm going to take a line here. So I'm going to my annotate tab here, and I will take this detail line, and I'm going to select this hidden line, and I'm going to draw a kitchen area here. So I'm taking just for my reference. So here to here 8 feet by 5 feet is my kitchen. So I'm going to use floor here for kitchen, and I'm going to use floor generic 12 inches. So I'm going to edit type, and I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to rename this as a kitchen slab here. Click OK, and I'm going to edit, and I'm going to category. I'm going to change the material. So you are required to click the 3 dots. I'm going to create new material. I'm going to rename this as a kitchen slab, and I'm going to do this asset browser, and I'm going to select marble here. So you can select any marble color here. So you can select this travertine. So this is just to make you understand. I'm going to click OK, and thickness I'm going to make this as a 3-inch slab here. Click apply, OK, and I'm going to draw my floor here. This will be L shape, and the width of kitchen slab will be 2 feet. So I'm going to draw a 2 feet from this side, and now I'm going to trim this. So this is our slab, and I'm going to give from floor this height offset. So this will be in at the standard height. So I'm going to make this as a 2 feet 9 inches standard height for this kitchen slab. So I'm going to make this at 2 feet 9 inches. You can also make this at 3 feet also. So we can also select this. Now this is our kitchen is ready, kitchen area. And so now this one is our living area. So we can create a living room here. So I'm going to create a opening door here from parking space. So I'm going to create a door here. So this one will be 36 inch by 84 inch. So I'm going to create a door, and now for this living room, this door will be also okay. So now this is our area here, and this one is living area. So, and this is the parking space. So after this you are required to put some windows. So lighting is only from front end. So, and here it is some entrance gate. So I'm going to first trim this off, and I'm going to use line for timing. So I'm going to draw a line here for my entrance gate. So this is our parking space, this is our wall, and window is only for front side. So we can insert some windows by going to load family, and you can scroll down here and can go to windows, and you can select any window like casement dot RFA, double dot RFA, and you can select any size here. So I'm going to select this 48 inch by 72 inch, and I'm going to use this overwrite. So now I'm going to use this window here. So I'm going to again show you. So I'm going to my insert tab and load family, and I'm going to use this window on a triple horizontal also you can use. So I'm going to use, because I need a bigger window, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm click OK, and now I'm going to architecture, then window, and I'm going to place a window here. So this is our ground floor. So now this window is only from this side. So I'm going to place some sofas here. So for this I'm going to my download folders and check if there is some sofa is there. So this is the TV unit. So I'm going to drag and drop this TV unit here, and I'm going to place a TV here. You can download from external source like Revit City and Beam Objects. You can get this kind of models. And now I'm going to insert sofa. So I have downloaded from my folder here. So I'm going to download, and you can use this sectional sofa here, and I'm going to click open, and I'm going to architecture, then component, and I'm going to select place a component, and I'm going to place this sofa here. So we are required to draw a floor to place this. So now I'm going to draw some floors. So I'm going to floor here, and I'm going to use generic 12 inch, and I'm going to edit type, and I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to create a wooden flooring here for my living area. So I'm going to create a wooden flooring. I'm going to edit type, I'm going to reduce the thickness. So I'm going to make this as a 1 inch flooring. So I'm going to material by category, and I'm going to create a new material, and you can rename this as a wooden floor. And you can go to your asset browser, search for wooden flooring. So just search here wood here, and you can select this flooring, and you can select any of this. So I'm going to select any of this. So I'm going to use beechwood honey, and I'm going to click apply, and also you can change the scale from here. So you can select this image, and scroll down here and you can change this scale. So suppose I'm going to make this, you can unlock this aspect ratio, so I'm going to make this as 10 feet and I'm going to use this as also 10 feet. Done, apply, okay. So we'll check whether the scale is okay or not. So I'm going to draw my flooring here and you can simply change this height offset to 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a floor here. This will be from here till here. So this is just an example. You can make your own floor and materials. So I'm going to finish this and now you can go and create a visual style here and make it realistic. So now you can see this wooden flooring is created and it's looking nice here. The scale is okay for me. And after this you are required to place that sofa. So I'm going to place a sofa here and now you can hit a space key and you can place this sofa in the corner here. So now this is a sofa and TV unit and this is a kitchen. So I'm going to create a stone flooring for this kitchen slab. So I'm going to again floor and this is my wooden flooring. I'm going to edit type and I'm going to create duplicate of this and I'm going to rename this as a kitchen floor, kitchen flooring. I will click OK and then I'm going to structure edit and I'm going to wooden floor. Click on this 3 dot to change the material again. I'm going to create a new material and you can rename this as a kitchen floor. And you can go to asset browser, click onto this and you can select stone and you can hit enter and you can go and select some flooring for it. So I'm going to select marble deep green, or you can select marble, or you can select dark blue. So we'll select some flooring here. So I'm going to search again stone. So I'm going to select granite brown and I'm going to change this scale and I'm going to scale here. I'm going to unlock this. So I'm going to select this as 8 feet. This one is as a 5 feet and I will click done, apply, OK, OK, apply, OK, and again this should be height offset should be 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a flooring here. So I'm going to click apply and you can see this is drawn here, this kitchen floor. And same you can do this for bedroom. So for bedroom also I'm going to make this wooden flooring. So you can select this flooring by pressing tab on your keyboard. I'm going to select this and I'm going to edit boundary and I'm going to release this one and again I'm going to select this boundary here, this bedroom area. So I'm going to select this bedroom area also, this flooring. So I'm going to click here, 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 here and here. So this is our flooring area. For bedroom also I'm going to finish this. So for bedroom also this flooring is created, and for toilet I'm going to again create a floor here, edit type, duplicate, and I'm going to rename this as a toilet flooring. Click on edit here and go to kitchen floor, click on the 3 dots, create a new material. I'm going to right click and I'm going to rename this as a toilet flooring. And you can go to asset browser and you can select on flooring, or you can select floor and can select ceramic here. You can select this mosaic blue or any other color. You can change this scale if you want, and I'm going to unlock this first and I'm going to make this as a 10 feet and I'm going to make this as a 4 feet 5 inches. So you are required to take the approx size of your bathroom here. So I'm going to finish this and now I'm going to draw this flooring here, and you can drag this here, then draw some flooring till the wall of bedroom, and then you can trim this, finish this. So now this is our ceramic tile of this toilet. And for this parking area I'm going to draw some floor again. So I'm going to click on this, edit type, duplicate, and I'm going to parking here, and you can go to edit type, toilet flooring, click on this three dot, create a new material, rename this here, right click, and you can rename this for parking, and go to asset browser, and you can select any stone, or if you can download any textures here. So I'm going to use flooring, so I'm going to use this flag stone, and I'm going to apply. You can change the scale, so I'm going to scale here, and I'm going to unlock this. So I'm going to select this 16 feet. I'm going to make this as a 10 feet here. Done. Apply. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. So I'm going to draw a floor here. So I'm going to slightly reduce this here. So this is our parking area. I'm going to finish this, and you can see this is drawn here, and you can place any car model. So you can go to insert, load family, and I have downloaded one car model here. So you can select any car here. So I'm going to use this one for Revit. So I'm going to architecture component, and I'm going to place a car here. So you can see here, this is car is placed here, and you can, for the soft, you can use annotate, and you can go to detail line, and you can use overhead lines if you want, and you can just so open space here, and also you can place some windows here. So you can place any window. So I'm going to place a window here, here, and here. So these are the windows. You can change the window size here if you want, and can match these properties with this. So now you can see the windows is also placed. So likewise you can place material, and after this you can change the wall color also if you want. You can make it this black. So how you'll do this? So if you want to make this whole wall in black or red, you can select this wall here, and you can go to edit type here, and then you can go to structure, edit, and can go to material by category, and you can go to this create a new material for wall, and you can go to this appearance here, and you can go to this graphic display here, and you can come here, cut pattern. So pattern is color is this one. So you can change this color to black here, this pattern, foreground and background also. You can use a solid fill, click OK, and you can change this color to black. So I'm going to apply OK, OK, apply OK. So we'll see here, this is not changing. So I'm going to edit type, and you can select this coarse fill pattern also. I'm going to use solid fill, apply OK. So now this one is black. So same you can do this for interior, or you can leave some different color to show your interior walls. So likewise you can do this. So now you can place some sink and wash basins here. So for this I'm going to my insert tab here. I'm going to load family, and you can see I have kitchen appliance. So I have some cooking stove here. So I'm going to place this cooking stove here. So this is not visible. So I'm going to in wireframe, and I'm going to make a cut here. So that, so now it will be visible. So I'm going to make this here. So this is our cooking range. So you can do this same for your sink also. So you can place any sink here. So I'm going to my insert tab here, and I'm going to load family, and we'll check some. So I'm going to load family, then I will go to desktop, computer, then I'm going to C drive and then I'm going to program data, then Autodesk, and then I'm going to RBT 2024 libraries, and then you can select English Imperial US, and then you can look for your sink here. So I'm going to my fixtures here, so I'm going to plumbing architectural fixtures, so I'm going to drinking fountains or sinks, so I'm going to select sink. So you can select sink double, or you can select some small sink here. So I'm going to, you can save this project also. So now I'm going to place this sink here, and also this is not visible, so I'm going to first create a cutout here. So for this I'm going to place a component. So we need to create a cutout here, so I'm going to again edit this floor, and I'm going to edit this boundary, and this is 18 inch by 18 inch. So I'm going to create a cutout here, 1 feet 6 inches, then 1 feet 6 inches, and we'll create a cutout here, and I'm going to move this and place it here. So this is our kitchen area. You can change this slab color also if you want, and you can likewise you can place overhead cabinets, and then you can use this shadow here. You can turn the shadow on, and you can give a better look to your this shadow effect. And you can also change this, and you can change the sun path, and you can change the directions, and you can turn this off also shadow. So I have made a tutorial on to how to change this. So if you don't want shadow, you can just turn this off. If you want a shadow effect, you can use this. So you can change the locations and timings to reduce and increase the shadow effect. So I'm going to turn this off here, shadow effect, and you can prepare a text here. So, and also you can place some beds here. So I'm going to load family, English Imperial US, and I'm going to use furniture system. And now you can go to furniture here, beds, you can select this bed box here, and can place this bed here. So we can use this bed here, and now we can write the sizes by using text command. So you can write the text sizes here. So I'm going to reduce this to, so now suppose this bedroom is 10 feet by 11 feet, so you can write like this sizes here, and you can place text here. And also you can write for this toilet also, and you can place some WCs and wash basins. And I'm going to English Imperial US, and now we can go to plumbing architectural fixtures, and you can go to water closet, and you can use this domestic 3D. You can place this in your design here. So likewise you can place this WC here, and you can also insert some wash basins. So you can go to fixtures again, and you can use some wash basins here. So you can use this vanity here, click OK, and you can go to architecture component, place this vanity wherever you want. So I'm going to place it here. So likewise you can write this toilet sizes also. So you can simply copy this text here and bring it here, and you can write here toilet here. So length you can write 10 feet, 4 feet 5 inches. So likewise you can write this text here. So for all this you can write this text like this, and you can see you can present it to your client without the use of Photoshop, and it is very nice presentation. So when you will finish this, you can also do some shadow effect settings. So you can go to further this visual style and can go to graphic display options, and you can see here this is model displays, that is set to realistic, and you can also play with the settings. You can increase transparency if you want, and you can also change the silhouettes, and you can make wide lines, center line, and likewise, and you can see here shadow here. So I'm going to first turn this shadow on here, and I'm going to this again graphic display options, and I'm going to shadow here, and you can see this cast shadow is on here, and you can also select this show ambient shadow and can click apply and see whether you require this or not. So I'm going to turn this off, and then you can select this sketchy lines here, and see you can select this enable sketchy line and can play with this and see it's not required. So I'm going to turn it, then you can see this lighting here, so we can play with this sun lighting here, can see whether sunlighting is required or at what intensity, and you can also play with this ambient light, and you can also play with this shadow, so you can increase or decrease so this shadow effect here. So likewise you can play with this shadow, and this one is realistic, so you can make this shadow effect lighter by using this Photoshop Revit techniques. You can present this to your client. So after this you can take a print, or you can also render this as a JPG. So you can go to your file here, and then you can go to export, and you can create a PDF file, or you can create a JPG. So I'm going to create a JPG image and animation. You can select it from here, and you can select this image here and go to this output and where you want to save this. So I'm going to save this on my desktop, and you can select this current window, or you can select the view sheets or visible portion of this current window. So you can do this. So I'm going to select this current window, and you can go to this image size here, you can select this fit to, you can change the pixels from here, or you can select this one zoom to, and you can select the direction horizontal, and you can make this to shaded views, JPG medium. You can select this, and you can select the raster image quality. So this there is 4 options: 72, 150, 300 and 600. If you want better, then increase this. So I'm going to select this 300 for timing, and I'm going to click OK, and now it is going to save at my desktop. Already I have rendered this, so I am going to my desktop here, and you can see this project 1 JPG image, and if you increase this, you can see this image quality is better. So we can use this technique to render a floor plan in Revit. So this was the tutorial for the tutorial session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.